Hello everyone, we are the Group 4. This presentation represents all about research question. But before that, let me introduce to you all of my group members. So today, we will tackle all about research question. But first, we have to know what is research question, or let's define what is research question. Research questions. A research question is a question that a research project sets out to answer. Choosing a research question is an essential element of both quantitative and qualitative research. Investigation will require data collection and analysis, and the methodology for this will vary widely. The research question can be used in two ways of doing research: the quantitative research and qualitative research. The research question is a part of doing research. A research cannot be done without a research question. In these both elements of research, the research question can be used because the research question is one of source information that contains the questions that make up research and various questions that may be involved in the chosen topic. But in making a research question exactly on the topic, it must be engaging so that the questions will be more interesting to the respondents. Research question can challenge a researcher. It can challenge a researcher on how to make a research more helpful to all of people or students. It is not easy to do this. You need to be meticulous and careful in creating questions. Because one wrong question that does not match to the topic itself, it can affect the entire research. How to make a research question.
Developing a strong research question, step-by-step guide. Research question. Help break up your study into simple steps so you can quickly achieve your objectives and find answers. Yung research questions is nakakatulong siya sa pagbuo ng research paper. Kasi if nagpapasagot kayo ng mga questionnaire sa mga respondents nyo, dito nyo malalaman agad yung answers sa statement of the problem ng research paper nyo. Choose a topic. The first step is to select a board research topic for your study. Pick something within your expertise and field that interests you. So choose a topic, dapat sa pagpili ng title ng research nyo is naka-align dapat siya kung ano ba talaga yung interest nyo or kung ano ba talaga yung mga bagay na sobrang nako-curious kayo. Conduct preliminary research. Once you have a board topic, dig deeper into the problem by researching past studies in the field, gathering requirements from stakeholders if you work in a business setting. Dito sa conduct preliminary research is dito na pumapasok yung kayo na mismo yung magre-research sa website at humanap ng mga related dun sa topic nyo na pwede nyo rin siyang ma-cite at magawa ng RRL at para din mas lalong lumawak yung knowledge nyo about dun sa title nyo. Keep your audience in mind. Defining your audience will help you refine your research questions. Ensure you pick a question from relatable to your audience. Dito sa keep your audience in mind, ay dapat kung ano man yung title nyo, dapat yung respondents nyo is nakaka-relate sila dun sa title and sa mga question na meron kayo. For example, para sa student superiority, ang title nyo, dapat yung mga respondents nyo din dun is mga students and dapat yung mga students na yon is sila yung mas nakaka-feel ng unfairness sa system ng mga students nyo. Kasi, yung dun sa title nyo pa lang is about sa students. So, maghanap kayo ng mga related na tungkol sa students din. So, sila din yung mga respondents na kailangan nyo. Kasi, about sa kanila yung topic.
Generate a list of potential questions. Ask yourself numerous recommended questions on the topic to create a potential list of research questions. You could start with broader questions and narrow them down to more specific ones.
Bago ka gumawa ng research question, maigi muna na pag-isipang mabuti ito. At maigi rin kung sa paggawa ng mga tanong ay bawat naiisip mong katanungan ay ginagawa mo ng listahan o isinusulat mo sa papel upang mas malaman mo alin ang mas maayos at tugma na research question para sa pananaliksik na ginagawa.
Review the questions. Evaluate your list of potential questions to determine which seems most effective. Ensure you consider the finer details of every question and possible outcome.
Kapag natapos ka ng gumawa ng list dito sa part na to, ang bawat tanong na ginawa mo ay suriin mo ng mabuti at isipin kung ang tanong ba na yon ay ang pinaka-epektibo at makapagbibigay kaalaman para sa lahat at makatutulong pa sa lahat ng individual. Siguraduhin maigi ang gagawin upang hindi magsisi sa kung ano ang posibleng mangyari sa palalabasan ng pananaliksik.
Explain the parts of the research question. Where to find? You can find research question in the journals, database reports, and other sources. You can also develop your own research question by reading about your topic considering what you want to know more. Find research question in the sources. First, journals. Read the general interest journals and look for clues in the news and on research blogs. Example, ang journal ng pinapaliwanag ay isang uri ng journal ginagamit upang magbigay ng detalyadong paliwanag o pagsusuri tungkol sa isang particular na paksa, karanasan o idea. Ang layo nito ay hindi lamang ipahayag ang mga opinyon kundi magbigay malalim na pag-unawa o paliwanag tungkol sa isang konsepto o karanasan. Madalas itong ginagamit sa mga klase o personal na pagninilay.
Database. Search for your information and fill your research on your topic using keyword based on your research topic. Maghanap ng impormasyon at mga naunang pananaliksik tungkol sa iyong paksa gamit ang mga keyword na base sa iyong paksa ng pananaliksik. Reports. Review recent reports in your field. Reference list. Look through the reference list of relevant articles. Suriin ang mga kumikilala na ulat sa iyong larangan para sa mga listahan ng sanggunian. Tignan ang mga listahan ng sanggunian ng mga kaugnayan sa artikulo. Recommendations for future studies. Look for potential research problems in the recommendation for future studies at the end of journal or doctoral dissertations. Humanap ng mga potensyal na problema sa pananaliksik sa mga rekomendasyon para sa mga sumusunod na pag-aaral na matatagpuan sa dulo ng mga journal, articles, o doctoral dissertations.
Examples of research questions. Here are the possible examples of quantitative research questions. Quantitative. How often do people use social media per day? How much are customers willing to pay for this new product? What percentage of students pass the exam? Qualitative. What is it like growing up in a single-parent family in a rural environment? What are the experiences of working night shift in healthcare?
Making a research question can challenge a researcher. It can challenge a researcher on how to make a research more helpful to all of people or students.